I'm highly disappointed to my fellow Igbo people.
Oh my God.
Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this because he's an Igbo.
Yes.
We must say it.
Yes.
Had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the south or southwest, he wouldn't have been there by now. And everybody's keeping quiet. Both the religious leaders, both the political leaders, both those in diaspora. Nothing is happening. Nigerian Medical Council, now listen. The Nigerian Medical Council, you people examine Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on, that was 3 days ago.
Yes.
And the report will have it, where you people said that the report given by IH did not even capture the entire health condition of Nnamdi Kanu. You discovered more. That you people should not doctor that report because court has ordered that you people should bring that report to court. We know what is happening in Nigeria because now that it involves Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbos, they may force you people or may intimidate you people because for land that DSSS are even trying to intimidate eminent Professor Emeritus, Professor Araj, who has been a provost College of Medicine, University of Nigeria, who has been a dean. His medical record is there. And somebody that is not even a consultant is questioning the report given by Araj. Now the team, you people, constituted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that was 3 days ago, at the DSSS, and Nnamdi Kanu subjected himself. We have that report. That report, as people have it, provide it in court. Having said that, now, what gave rise to this particular issue of medical council is the petition I personally submitted against Dr. Mohammed Nasiru from DSSS, the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but he decided to depose falsely on oath. That 7-paragraph affidavit. I submitted that petition. It was on that basis that Attorney General ordered the medical council to constitute a different board. We have been following it up, and that petition must be heard. And the Dr. Nasri should be, when his license as a medical doctor, if he is, should be withdrawn. I, Chief Barrister Maxwell Upper PhD, is submitting. He should be there. Just like what Honorable said, I'm highly disappointed to my fellow Igbo people.
Oh my God.
Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this because he's an Igbo.
Yes.
We must say it.
Yes.
Had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the south or southwest, he wouldn't have been there by now. And everybody's keeping quiet. Both the religious leaders, both the political leaders, both those in diaspora. Nothing is happening. You feel that this Nnamdi Kanu listen, I'm not disappointed. So the judge said that he's not aware of the extraordinary edition. We are taking it like that. We are going to bring a formal application. We are going to attach all the whole judgment given by even Kenya. The country said that yes, our country did not do well. Now Malami is now, he has turned activist. The Malami that comes in, he has turned activist. He's now in opposition. As you are doing anything, remember that you cannot be in government forever. Yes, tomorrow. That is my message to you. Thank you.
I want to say something. And finally, hold on. And finally, to conclude everything, it is despicable. We take a serious exception to the fact that the doctor that examined Onyendu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, emeritus professor of medicine, well renowned all over the world, that someone from the government side reported him to the Nigerian Medical Association, and he was summoned to Lagos to face a panel, all because he returned the truthful diagnosis on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this persecution knows no bounds. We are wondering when they are going to come after the lawyers as well. They are now going after the doctor. The idea that the doctor, the primary physician for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, chosen by him, is being intimidated by the government is despicable. The primary goal of everybody should be the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not the intimidation of anybody that brings the truth before the authorities. The doctor is a witness of truth, and on that truth we shall stand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's health condition is very paramount, and everybody should go out there and talk about it. You cannot stand trial if you are not healthy. Thank you very much.
I want to say something very important, because I'm thinking that this ruling favors us to some extent. The judge said that there is no evidence of extraordinary rendition before him. That is the case of jurisdiction. He has said it. Yes. So we are not entering the first until the court determines it whether he has jurisdiction or not. So the court has given us a hint. We are going to file it and bring the evidence that the court has. Once it discovers that the court has no jurisdiction, so let us go with the hope in our heart that the door is not closed. Very, very well. We are going to do it.
You all have heard what the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. The reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention is simply because he is an Igbo man. If to say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Fulani person, he don't take away from come out from detention. But because he's Igbo, he is still there. Why is the government of Nigeria still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Nigeria government have been negotiating with bandits and terrorists for so long in this country. Bandits and terrorists that their crimes are worst compared to what they are accusing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they never see him hold cutlass before. They never see him hold gun before. But they arrested him because he is demanding for Igbo people to leave Nigeria and have a separate country. Nothing verse the federal government of Nigeria pass say they see person they thought say they won't leave this country. If you like, go Aso Rock, throw bomb, kill all the politicians who did that place. Go army barrack, throw atomic bomb for there, kill the whole army in Nigeria. That one not they pay the federal government of Nigeria. They don't see it as anything. But just come out and say that you want to leave this country, that you don't want your tribe to remain in Nigeria again. Nigeria government will do everything possible to stop you. They will spend all the billions and trillions they have to make sure that they stop you. This shows that the life of Nigerians no matter to the federal government of Nigeria. All they care is about make we just stay together, make that they milk our resources. That's the fact. Not be something where they hide. Everybody eye open, they see what thing they happen. The other day, 200 people were massacred and burnt to ashes in Benue State. Tinubu did not declare state of emergency in that place. No bandits and terrorists were held accountable for what happened in Benue State. Up till today, the people that committed that heinous crime are nowhere to be found. Instead, River State where we say they just burst pipeline. They not kill anybody, nobody die. Tinubu declared state of emergency in River State. Place where they kill people, you not declare state of emergency for there. But place where they not kill person, you declare state of emergency. This is to tell you that Nigeria government only cares about crude oil, not the life of Nigerians. Go to the north. Northerners are dying every day. Northerners go enter mosque to pray. Bandits and terrorists go enter inside that mosque, kill people when they kidnap people. And instead of Nigeria government to kill all these terrorists, they are negotiating with them with billions of naira. Nigeria government is begging bandits and terrorists. They beg them, say, I beg you. You are begging bandits. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not kill anybody. You people kept him in detention. Because why? You people are afraid to see Nigeria divided. Because when I don't say if Nigeria divide, this crude oil money will come out from our hand. There is no peace in Nigeria. People are dying every day. Hunger everywhere. Bad government policies everywhere. Do you expect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to see all those things and still be preaching one Nigeria? Now all these things where Nigeria government they do make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to start to agitate for a separate country. Other tribes in Nigeria are tired. The thing be say they not get that nerves, they not get that morale to come out and say they won't get their separate country. If not, Nigeria don't tire everybody. The only people where Nigeria never tire are the politicians where they milk the resources in this country. Just look at the killings in the north, the killings in the south, Fulani herdsmen everywhere. Do you expect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to allow his people to remain in this country. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wants his people to be safe. He wants his people to be free. He wants Igbo nation to stop being marginalized. Igbos have been marginalized in this country. Now why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they agitate for a separate country? Nigeria na country we say e don scatter beyond repair. Everybody they fight for survival. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is agitating to have a separate country for Igbos to leave Nigeria. Since after the 1966 coup, Igbos are being marginalized in this country. The hate on Igbos, the marginalization, Igbos now they occupy federal positions again. All those positions, they go carry all of them, they give Fulani people. In this Tinubu administration, almost all the federal positions, na Yoruba people occupy them. 99% of positions in Nigeria today, na Yoruba people occupy that place. Is that not marginalization? Seaport, no one day southeast. Is that not marginalization? Presidency, Nigeria government don't want to make Igbo man occupy presidential seats. Is that not marginalization? Igbos are suffering in Nigeria. Is that not marginalization? All these things are the reasons why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is agitating to have a separate country called Biafra. One thing the Nigerian government don't know is that no matter what they do, Ndi Igbo will still be agitating to have a separate country. So, keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention is a waste of time. Now, what these people no understand? What you are doing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today is raising Igbo youths to keep agitating to have a separate country. If to say Nigeria government they treat Igbo nation right, Igbo people will not be agitating to have a separate country. But as you they marginalize Igbo nation, upcoming Igbo youths, all these Igbo children where they see now where they grow come out, they see all this marginalization. They are seeing what is happening. With that spirit of having a separate country will enter them. As they see say their elders they agitate to have a separate country, they will continue from there. What are Igbo leaders and politicians doing concerning the detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What are they doing? The governors in the southeast, none of them are doing everything possible to bring out Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from detention. Governor Alex Oti of Abia State, what are you doing to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out from detention? You are the best governor in the southeast. You see the entire governors with the southeast. Now you, Alex Oti, we they see as governor because you have Igbo nation at heart. Abia State people love you. We from Anioma, we love you because we they see the good things you are doing for Abia State. And they talk because they see good things where they do. If we see governors that are good, if we see governors that are kind, if we see governors that are protecting the lives and properties of their people, we say it. Governor Alex Oti, what are you doing to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out from detention? Not our governors are negotiating with bandits. Federal government not they do anything. Even after the negotiation, those bandits are still killing people. How many bandit leaders in Nigeria are in detention, facing judgment the way the federal government of Nigeria is making Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be facing judgment? How many leaders of all these terrorist organizations are in detention facing judgment? How many of them? We are talking about terrorist and bandit organizations in northern Nigeria that are slaughtering people, killing people. None of them are in detention. Nobody say the federal government of Nigeria don't know where they need to go catch those people. But they don't want to arrest them. The governor of Zamfara State said that he knows where all these bandits and terrorists are in their state. He knows. But that the federal government is not doing anything to arrest these people. If to say the federal government of Nigeria and the federal government will know the right thing to do, as the governor of Zamfara State talk that thing, therefore don't take action, eliminate all those bandits and terrorists. The only place where the federal government of Nigeria get power now for Igbo land. Governor Alex Oti, are you not seeing all these things? As the federal government of Nigeria, they negotiate with bandits. That one supposed ginger you to talk. Governor Alex Oti demand for the unconditional release of our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody go kill you, say may they leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can champion it. Do everything you can to release our brother. As it be say other Southeast governors, now people will be say they don't care people. You not consign them. As our brother did detention, they sweet them. Governor Alex Oti, no be like them. Demand for the unconditional release of our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now your brother he be. Governor Soludo of Anambra State, what are you doing to see that our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out from detention? Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State, what are you doing to see that our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention? Governor Francis Nwifuru of Ebonyi State, what are you doing to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention? Governor Hope Uzodimma of Imo State, what are you doing to see that your brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention? We know that so many of you Southeast governors don't like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but he is still your brother. He is not worse than those bandits and terrorists in the north that are killing people. Those Fulani herdsmen that are killing we Igbos in our own land. How many of those Fulani people have been caught by the federal government of Nigeria? How many of them are in detention, facing judgment like your brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Your own brother. Even if you not like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, say, when I get issues, now that one go make you leave your brother for detention. Are you not seeing that the North are negotiating with bandits? Are you people not seeing that Northern politicians are negotiating with bandits there? How many bishops in Igbo land are demanding for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What is Ohaneze Ndigbo doing to see that our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention? All the different Igbo organizations worldwide, what are they doing to see that our brother comes out from detention? Catholic priests and bishops, what are you people doing? Those DBS from Igbo land that are saying I have power to do this, I have power to do that. What are you people doing without your powers to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention? Igbo land is being marginalized, but our leaders are not doing anything. The reason why some Igbos in the South are saying that they are not Igbos is because not that they are not Igbo people, but they are afraid that if they join the Southeast, that they cannot be protected. Nobody go there to protect them. Southeast governors are weak. They can't talk. They can't defend their people. How do you think people will want to join the Southeast? If they get issue, which Southeast governor go fit defend them? So many people are claiming we are from Benin. Even when they are not from Benin, they have no blood relation with Benin. They are not connected with Benin in any way. But they will be telling you that they are from Benin. Not that Benin is powerful. Benin is one of the weakest kingdoms in Nigeria. Very weak. But they are claiming Benin because Nigeria government is not against Benin the way they are against Igbo people. Nigeria government not hates Benin kingdom the way they hate Igbo people. The entire country not hates Benin kingdom the way they hate Igbo people. Now why are these people they claim Benin so that they're not going to be part of Igbo nation, for them not to be marginalized? This shows that Igbo land is just empty, no protector, no governor to protect Igbo land. Southeast senators, now their own worst. Only Senator Abaribe is the one demanding for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only Abaribe. Others, nothing. Southeast governors, nothing. Southeast senators, nothing. Religious people from the Southeast, nothing. Southeast is just empty. Southeast just there, no protector. How do you want those Igbo people that are having identity crisis to join the Igbo race, to embrace their Igbo identity? They are not saying that they are not Igbo. Some of them are saying that they rather die in the South than to join Southeast. It's because of all this marginalization. Who will protect them if they join the Southeast? Sunday Igboho was arrested. They released him. But our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention because our politicians are weak. Igbo nation get agenda, but there is no politician in the federal level to be pursuing that agenda for them. Southeast no get support. Which governor or senator they champion that thing for federal level? For we Igbo people to back them up? None. Igbo land not get politicians. We not get people where they protect us. Now why the entire country they marginalize us? Because of money, una not get to be one name. Money was invented by man. Enough from up for. Nobody where they born money. We go leave this money go. Why it be say? Because of money. To secure your position, to do this, to do that, you left your brother in detention. Why Northerners are defending their brothers who are killing people? Your brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not they kill people. Yet you kept quiet, watching him stay in detention. Southeast governors are one of the major reasons why so many Igbo people in the South are saying that they are not Igbos, because Southeast governors cannot protect and defend Igbo nation. Nobody wants to stay where they not go protect them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not worse than all those bandits and terrorists in the north. Now the character and behavior of the federal government of Nigeria made Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to start agitating for a separate country. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they agitate to get separate country, did the federal government of Nigeria change from that their bad attitude? No. Instead, they arrested him and kept him in detention. How many Southeast content creators they fit talk like this because they fear to talk truth? So many of them now political tools. So many of them they work for all these governors. If you an Igbo content creator want to make a change, stop going close to politicians. Stop being friends with all these politicians. If you be friends with them, all this bad thing where they do, you know go fit call them out, because you are now see them as a father. All those change whether they give you now short of money, they don't buy you. This is why all these governors are doing everything possible to bring content creators closer to them. If governors for Southeast talk say content creators from Igbo land come, I want you now, no go. These people are trying to buy you. We will keep calling them out. You see all these our leaders for Igbo land, we go they call on her out. Defend our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, demand for his unconditional release. Southeast governors are they tell on us, Southeast senators are they tell on us, demand for the unconditional release of our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Work for it. Do everything possible to make sure that he comes out from detention. Ishiagwale.